Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to hide Windows Defender Firewall from control panel in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. If you need to share your computer with someone, you need to ensure security of your computer or of your computer settings. That's why sometimes you may need to hide Windows Defender Firewall from control panel in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Now I am going to show you how to do it. In search, type control panel. Click on control panel. Look, Windows Defender Firewall is visible here. Now I want to hide Windows Defender Firewall from control panel settings. Minimize control panel. Now click on search, type GP edit. Okay. Click on edit group policy. Under user configuration, expand administrative template. Now click on control panel. Look, you will find a settings, hide specified control panel items. Okay, right click on it and click on edit. Now click on enable. You will find a button named show. Click on show button. Here you have to write a value, that is the name of the item which you want to hide. I want to hide Windows Defender Firewall, so type Windows Defender Firewall. Okay. If you want to hide any other item, you can type it here. Okay. Now click on OK. Now click on apply. Then OK. Now close group policy editor. Now open control panel again. Now close control panel and again click on search, type control panel, click on control panel. Look, Windows Defender Firewall settings is not available right now in control panel. In this way, you can hide any of these settings from control panel. Now close control panel. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.